Here I have iBerry Auxus Beast, and let me show you how to accomplish here the hard reset operation. Let me show you how to bypass pattern, passcode or other screen lock method on the following device. At the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key, choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then you need to use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down, and release them as soon as Auxus logo pops up on the screen. As you can see, the Chinese factory mode pops up. Here you can navigate by using volume down. Let's scroll down to clear eMMC, this option, and press power key to confirm it. Right now the phone is formatting all personal stuff and customized settings. Let's wait until the operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. As you can see, the welcome panel pops up, and as you may notice, there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.